In this video, I'm going to show you how to link to another page in OneNote quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick when you want to connect notes, build a knowledge base, or jump between related pages without wasting time searching through your notebook. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple OneNote tips and software tutorials. Now, if the page you want to link to already exists in your sidebar panel list, the process is really straightforward. First, look at your navigation pane on the side of OneNote and find the page you want to link to. This is the target page you want to connect to for your current note. Next, right-click directly on the title of that page. When the context menu opens, look for the option that says Copy Link to Page. Click that option, and OneNote will copy a direct page link to your clipboard. After that, go back to your active note canvas. Click exactly where you want the link to appear inside your note. This is important because the link will be pasted wherever your cursor is placed. Once your cursor is in the right spot, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the link. As soon as you paste it, OneNote will drop in a clean text link showing the exact name of that page. That means you can click it later and jump straight to the linked page. It keeps your notes organized and makes it much easier to navigate between related topics, meeting notes, project pages, or study material. If you want to make your OneNote workflow even better, try using this method for pages you reference often. It's a simple way to create a network of connected notes without manually typing page names or searching through different sections every time. And that's it. You now know how to link to another page in OneNote using the page already in your sidebar list. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for keeping your notes connected. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.